everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video. Today we're doing something a little different. I don't think anyone else on YouTube has done this before, but anyways, I'm going to be changing the skies of all of the planets. So basically, right now, if you go on the, so let's say Earth, let's go on Earth, you look in the sky, oh look, it's just still the stars and stuff. Well, I'm going to be adding custom like skies to that. So yeah, as you can see here, in like daytime you wouldn't see all the other stars and it should be blue, but we're just seeing like the regular background. So what we're going to do is, on every single planet, we're going to be changing the background to suit that planet. So anyways, first of all, Mercury. So we can't even really do Mercury because Mercury has barely no atmosphere at all. So it would simply just look like this, like in the sky. Where's the sun at? Sun? There it is. So the sun would pretty much just look like that. Like, there's nothing else you can do. So that's Mercury. But here's where it gets interesting. Venus has like the most dense atmosphere out of all the planets, I believe. So if we land on the surface of Venus, so let's go under here. There we go. So we're underneath the atmosphere. But look, you wouldn't see that in the sky. So if we go to background here and then change it, let's just go with brown for now. So now we've got like a brown and black, or yeah, brown and black, because you can see the stars there are still a bit black. So what we want to do is we want to change this to more of this sort of colour, because you wouldn't see any stars. So we turn the stars off because you definitely would not see them on Venus. So it's what sort of colour would it be? Something like that maybe. Now this definitely looks more like a Venus sort of thing there. Look at the sun. Yeah, the sun would be very dim as well. We've got to remember that. The sun would be very, very dim here. So, oh, what's that black doing? Wait, background. Let's go back in there. Right, it keeps on, it resets it every time, which is annoying as well. Oh, looks like we can't get rid of that black bit. Dang it, that's annoying. Well, there we go. That looks pretty good. So let's turn the stars off again. We can turn the brightness up. How bright would it be? Honestly, probably be like, yeah, Venus is quite a dark planet, so probably be like this, I'm guessing. So there we go. So here's what the sky would probably be like on Venus. Something similar to that. So if we zoom out of the planet, it's sort of that sort of colour. You can't really get it like that, because in real life, like, Venus isn't like this green. You can see there's a bit, can you tell there's green in that planet there? You can see the clouds. If you remove the atmosphere, you can see, oh wait, that doesn't work. But you can see there's red clouds there. I don't know if you, yeah, if you see my mouse, you can definitely see there's red clouds there. So anyways, yeah, I definitely think this suits Venus. So yeah, in the comments, tell me how good is this? Like, does this look good? Like, is this realistic? Like, I'm pretty sure that looks pretty good, honestly. Wait, let's just have one more shot at it. We've still got all the other planets to do, right? So let's go here. We definitely want it to be like a dark yellowy sort of colour. So definitely something like this. Is that good? I don't know. I think that looks good. So there we go. Right, why are the stars still? Go away, we don't want the stars. Dang it, I have to keep on redoing this every time. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's too much yellow. Yeah, Venus would definitely be something like this. Yeah, Google a picture of Venus. And obviously the sun would be a lot dimmer as well. The sun would not look that colour. The sun would barely be visible. It would just be like a little bright patch in the clouds. But yeah, there we go. So I think, apart from that black bit, which I don't know why it's there, but yeah, this would be my custom Venus, I think. This is definitely what the sky would probably look like on Venus. Right, so anyways, let's go out of there. And now let's go to Earth. So, let's zoom out of here. Let's go to Earth. And let's zoom in. Right, so here's Earth. Should we add the moon in? Yes, add the moon in as well. Why not? Wait, we don't need to do that. Let's go planet. Then add moons to planet. So the moon should have spawned there. There we go. There it is. Right. Now, let's land in the USA. So let's land around right about here. Now, we still have the Venus sky. So what we need to do is we need to go to the background and let's go to which one should we do? Is there any blue ones we can start off with? Oh yeah, this one. Look at this. This looks good. Space blue. So now what we want to do is we want to turn the stars off again because we don't see them in the daytime, obviously. And now we want to get rid of the black bit and put it as a blue sky. So let's put all the colours to more of a similar blue colour. Oh, this looks pretty cool actually. Let's put a bit of grey in there because we also need white clouds as well. Whoa, whoa, that's way too bright. Oh my god. Oh. Right, how does that look? Does that look good? So you've got to be careful. Yeah, Earth with a blue sky. There we go. Right, Why is there a bit of orange still there? Wait, let's just reload the simulation up actually. Alright, there we go. Don't know why it was doing that. So anyways, let's go back onto Earth. And let's land on Africa this time, since that's a bit in the daytime. In fact, yeah, let's land just about sunrise, I guess. Alright, here. So the sun should be there. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Let's turn off all this, so all the other planets are gone. Now, right, it is paused. Alright, background. So space blue. Now, I don't really touch these backgrounds much. I never really use them. Right, so the sky on Earth would be like quite a light blue. Well, usually is, unless you just got grey clouds. So that's why we need to add a bit of grey in, like here. I think this should be blue actually. And this should be grey. Yeah, look up. Now that, I think that looks pretty effective. Like, if you just stand in the middle of Africa anyway, Africa, yeah, it's more, it never rains here, so there's not much clouds, because it's always sunny, pretty much. So, there you go. Does this like Universe Sandbox anymore? I don't think so. Yeah, this isn't even Universe Sandbox, this is now like Earth Simulator, I don't know. Alright, anyway, so you can see like the grey patches in the sky, well, they're clouds, obviously, because Earth does have clouds, remember, so there we go. We've got our blue sky, different shades of blue, and there we go. So there's the sun. So, and also got another thing. So if we go to the dark side, or the bit at night time, so we're back in the USA again, let's land on the surface. Obviously it wouldn't be light blue like this, so let's go back to the space blue, and let's put more blue in, because remember, it's not actually black at night time. It's a very, very dark blue, because obviously the Earth's atmosphere and stuff like that. So, well, that's way too bright. Right, so let's turn the blue down to something like this. So there we go, like that. So you can just about see in the sky, but it's still blue. We've got a few darker spots. In fact, actually, I don't think that's right. So let's do that again. Right, try and get it all on the same colour, to be honest. Right, and just a little darker. Be like, oh, that's too bright. Right, now let's turn them all down to this sort of colour. Wait, there we go. Now, I think that is pretty cool, because remember, yeah, like I said, at night time, it's not actually black, is it? It's pretty much a dark blue. So, there we go. Well, I think it's dark blue. I'm pretty sure it is. But anyways, there we go. So, this is Earth at night time. So, we've had day and night time. So, let's go out of that again. And now, let's go to Mars. So, Mars has a pink sky. So, this is going to be interesting. So, yeah. You can see the atmosphere is pink as well. Like, if you don't notice, like, it's a reddish pink. Maybe known as a red planet, but it has a pink sky. So you may have just seen that bit with the atmosphere. So let's go to background again. Let's just go to white this time. Oh my god, can't spot the sun here, that's for sure. All right, so now we want a pink. So let's be something like this. Oh, this looks good already. Wow, I really like that, because Mars, like, if you know like about quite a lot about Mars, Mars has dust storms, so it's like lots of wind. So there you go. That would be my Mars, honestly. Right, let's alter it a little more. Let's make it a little more fancy. So. Let's go back to solid white and then put that straight back to the pinky colour we had. Oh, there we go, like that. And Mars has a blue sky at night as well, I believe. So how do you do this? Let's put all these as pink. We even put it as other colours, like, alright. Put a little bit of like an orange sort of colour in there as well. Alright. So here is my Mars in the daytime. That's what it looks like. Look at pictures that NASA have taken. That Mars has a very pink sky. So where's the sun? I'm trying to find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm lost. Right, here's the surface. Sun. It's so hard to spot it. Wait, let's just grab it. Whoa, look how pink it is. Let's go to about sunrise. Let's go. Oh, look. The biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Let's land on that. There we go. We pretty much landed on it. So, there you go. Sunrise on Mars. So we'd have a pink sky. I think that looks pretty cool. I actually really like this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think anyone else on YouTube has done this before, so I think this is pretty much my idea, I guess. I don't know. Has anyone else done it? Tell me. But anyways, this looks pretty sweet. Right, now let's go to the nighttime on Mars. And also, the reason why I didn't do nighttime on Venus is because it would be pitch black. It would literally be pitch black. You wouldn't see anything. It'd just be pitch black. So, right, let's land on the back of Mars now, or the bit in the dark. Right, so let's land back on the surface, and now we want pretty much a similar thing to Earth, because Mars does have a very, very dark blue sky at night, so it'd be like that. Be something like this. And let's turn up the stars. We need the stars back on as well. Oh, I don't want to go in here. Alright. Wait, what am I doing? Alright, there we go. So let's go back to solid white. Let's turn the stars up. Let's go to a dark colour. Where are the stars anyway? I don't even see them. Are they here? Oh, I can't spot the stars. Let's go to another template. There we go. There's some stars. Alright. So, let's turn this back to a very, very, very dark blue. So, it won't be exactly the same as Earth, but let's just put that as black, like that. Oh, wow. I don't know why. What are you doing? Oh, black. There we go. Alright, that's the surface of Mars. Alright. Alright. Where'd all the blue go? Oh, there it is. So if you put it as black, like, you can barely see the blue at all, so this needs to be blue as well. So Mars would be like that. So I would say that would be Mars at night time. So, yep. Like if you didn't know, new fact for the day, Mars does have a blue sky at night time. So, let's go to about sunset. Okay, this isn't sunset. Is it? Okay, we're not sunset yet. We need to get it in the right position. So we're about there. Dang it, I think it's a little too much. It's so hard to like land on the surface on these. Oh my god! Alright. I'm so bad at this. There we go, there's sunset. So, there you go. So as the sun sets, it will turn from pink to blue. So there we go. Finally got it done. So there we go. There's our stars in the sky, and voila. There we go. So it would have a blue sky. Sadly, we can't get the Milky Way in as well. But yeah, it needs to have a blue tint. Right, so now, next up, Jupiter. So, you may be thinking, how can you even see stuff at night time on here? So basically, you're right, like, we can land on the very, very top of Jupiter, but because like there's no atmosphere above us, it would just be like the regular Milky Way. So let's go back to, oh wait. In fact, actually, it'd probably just be the sun, honestly. In the daytime, it would just be, solid black. Where is it? Yeah, I just saw Andromeda Galaxy there, look. I never spotted that. See my mouse there? That's the Andromeda Galaxy. Right, anyways. Okay, let's just go to solid grey and turn it to black. So at the daytime in Jupiter, it'd pretty much be like this. Because if you're standing on top of the clouds, then the only thing you'll see in the sky is the sun. Because the sun is so bright, it would dim out all the other stars. Like, all the other stars would be dimmed out. So, there you go. There's Jupiter. And the same thing would happen for Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But anyway, to make things a little more interesting, since Saturn's moon Titan has an atmosphere, remember? So let's go to Saturn. Alright, here we go. Saturn's moon Titan has an atmosphere, so we can do like a day-night thing on there as well. So I have no idea what Titan looks like at night. But anyways, Titan has an orange sort of atmosphere, and there's Saturn as well. In fact, let's put it behind Saturn to get it in the thing. So, come on, where is it? Right, we need to hit play. Right, there we go. I want to put it behind Saturn. Right, that. So we're behind Saturn now. So Saturn would be in our night sky. Oh, Saturn is so nice. Let's add the rings on as well, why not? In fact, let's add them after. But anyways, so let's land on Titan in pretty much the middle of the day. So here we go. Titan's surface would be a little more orange as well. So let's make it realistic. We want to make it realistic. So be something like this maybe. I'm not being a try-hard here. I'm just estimating. So anyways, we go out. So it'd be something like that, I guess. I don't know for sure. But yeah, but Titan definitely has like a sort of orangey surface like that. That looks pretty cool. So anyways, let's put the atmosphere back on. Let's land on the surface. Right, so here we go. We're on the surface of Titan. Now, there's Saturn. There's the sun. So anyways, let's go to view settings, background. And we want to have a very, very, very cool orange colour. So let's go back to the... Let's just do this one. Alright, anyways. So we want orange. We want a lot of orange. It'd be similar to Venus, honestly, but a little more orange. So something like this, maybe? It'd be a very, very misty orange. Sadly, we can't make Saturn look different in the sky, but oh well. Just turn that off. There we go, that's good. Alright. Yeah, Saturn would be a little, like, misted out. It'd be a little cloudy. Like, you wouldn't see Saturn as clear as that. It'd be covered away by the clouds a lot. So, kind of like how the moon is on Earth. Like, sometimes you can't see it because the clouds are in the way. But anyways, Saturn would glow quite bright since it reflects quite a lot of light. 37% of the light it reflects, I believe. Right, let's check that right now. Saturn... Oh, 34%. Fine, that's close enough. Anyways. So we won't turn the stars off. So I'm guessing we would end up with something like this. There we go. So there's the sun over there. And Saturn would be in the sky. None of the other moons would probably be visible because they're so small. Actually, we probably would see some of the moons, but can't spot any right now in the sky. But anyways, there we go. So we've got our dark surface, then we've got our cloudy sky. Because, yeah, Venus would have been a little a little darker, I'm guessing, because Titan has less of an atmosphere. But anyways, there we go. So there's Titan done. And then we can't obviously do Saturn, so let's go all the way to, can we even do anything at Uranus? None of its moons have atmospheres, so it wouldn't look different. Yeah, we can't do anything, so where can we go now? Let's go to Neptune, my favourite planet. Alright. Yeah, honestly, there's nothing else we can do here. Like, yeah, we literally can't do anything else because there's no other planets with atmospheres. Like, we can go all the way to Sedna. We could pretend Sedna, if Sedna had an atmosphere, like all the way out here. Even though Sedna's in pitch black. Where's the sun? Yeah, the sun's there. Anyways, if Sedna had an atmosphere, it'd probably be red, so let's give it an atmosphere. Right, so there we go, there's an atmosphere now. Let's put the background back to the regular Milky Way. Where is it? Where's Milky Way? There we go, Milky Way dark, fine. So yeah, so Sedna's in literally utter darkness right now, so let's land on Sedna. Right, so where's the sun? Can't even spot it, it's the same size as all the other stars. We're so far away right now. I'm trying to click on it. I can't find it. Oh god, where is it? Well, you can, oh, there it is. So we have to look pretty much right up in the sky. It's so hard to see on here. Oh, what the heck? I'm not clicking anything on my mouse. It's because Sedna's spinning really fast, I think. Let's pause it. Okay, we can't find it. But anyways, if Sedna had an atmosphere, it'd probably be something like this. So let's go to view. Oh, I didn't really need a drink. Wait. There we go, that's better. Alright, anyways. So if Sedna had an atmosphere, I'm guessing it'd be quite red. But since we think Sedna is red, so it'd be probably a dark red, honestly. So it probably won't be a very strong atmosphere, because we know Pluto has an atmosphere, or like a very faint one, so honestly, I'm guessing we'd see something like this, maybe? It's kind of hard to do. Alright. Let's give it one more shot. And like that. Oh, don't want to do that. Alright. That's probably the closest I can get, but we don't even know if Sedna has an atmosphere, but there we go. That's the best I think I can do. Right, there's the sun there. Right, anyways, that'll do it for this video. It's a little shorter than usual, but anyways, can't argue with a shorter video, because I do quite long ones, and people do say you shouldn't make them too long. So anyways, let's go back to the solar system. And let's go back to Earth, and let's get our lovely blue sky back, because I think that sky looks awesome. So, right, and let's land in, let's go to Australia, why not? Alright, there we go. So let's end off in Australia, let's go to background again. See, this is so easy to do. Like, I can literally just do it in like 20 seconds, pretty much like this. There we go. And the white clouds, and boom. There we go. This looks even better than the first one. And boom, there we go. We've got the sun in the sky. We're in Australia, we've got a nice sea there. Lovely blue sky, because I don't think it ever rains here. Definitely know it doesn't snow here, that's for sure. But anyways, there we go. So, like I said, hopefully you all enjoy the video. If you have any recommendations for another Universe Sandbox 2 video, leave a comment down below. I'll reply to you. And yeah, like, subscribe, like, all that stuff. I think I already said that. But anyways, there we go. So yeah. So now let's play, and as you can see, it's gone crazy. But anyways, see if we can get a sunrise or a sunset. Where's the sun? Oh, there it is. Right, sunset, and then we'll end the video. Right, there we go. Oh, dang it, it already set. Well, we'll have a sunrise instead. Where's the sun gone? Oh. There it is. There's our lovely sunrise. There we go. Right, so, like I said, I hope everyone have a... Oh, what was I saying? That mucked me up. Right, so hopefully you're all having a good day, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So there we go. Lovely sunrise. Anyways, see you in the next video. Goodbye. Venus has like the most dense atmosphere out of all the planets, I believe. So, if we land on the surface of Venus, so let's go under here. There we go. So we're underneath the atmosphere, but look, you wouldn't see that in the sky. So if we go to background here, and then change it, let's just go with brown for now. So now we've got like a brown and black, or yeah, brown and black, because you can see the stars there are still all of the planets. So basically, right now, if you go on a, so let's say Earth, let's go on Earth, you look in the sky, oh look, it's just still the stars and stuff. Well, I'm going to be adding custom like skies to that. So yeah, as you can see here, in like daytime, you wouldn't see all the other stars, and it should be blue, but we're just seeing like the regular background. So what we're going to do is, on every single planet, we're going to be changing the background to suit that planet. So anyways... Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video. Today, we're doing something a little different. I don't think anyone else on YouTube has done this before. But anyways, I'm going to be changing the skies of, first of all, Mercury. So we can't even really do Mercury because Mercury has barely no atmosphere at all. So it would simply just look like this, like in the sky. Where's the sun at? Sun? There it is. So the sun would pretty much just look like that. Like, there's nothing else you can do. So that's Mercury. But here's where it gets interesting. Venus, a bit of black. So what we want to do is we want to change this to more of this sort of colour. Because you wouldn't see any stars. So we turn the stars off because you definitely would not see them on Venus. So it's what sort of colour would it be? Something like that, maybe? Now this definitely looks more like a Venus sort of thing there. Look at the sun. Yeah, the sun would be very dim as well. We've got to remember that.